Hey guys, in this video we will learn all the drawing commands in AutoCAD 2D. So let's get started. Now the first command we are going to learn is the line command. The line command is simply used to draw a line. To use that command, type L or you can type line and press enter. First it will ask to specify the first point. So click at any point, then enter the value that you want, and by doing this you can make different shapes. Let me show you. Guys, you can see I make an eye section using the simple line command. You can use the line command in for the various purpose. Now let's see what is a polyline. To use that we can type p line or you can type the whole the word polyline. P line, press enter, then specify the first point. It is similar, and enter the value that you want. But there is advantage that it is a continuous line, so you can do the 3D modeling with that line. But if you do this with a single line command, it will split into different sections. As you can see, it is a complete continuous line and this is a normal line. So by using the line command we can draw separate lines, and by using the p line command we can draw continuous lines. Now let's see what is a circle command. Circle command is nothing but it is used to draw circles. So let me show you. Type C, press enter. By using that, first you have to specify the center point, then you can draw the circle either by its radius or by the diameter. So if you want to draw it by the diameter, then type D, press enter, then enter the value of the diameter. And if you want to draw it by the radius, suppose I draw a radius, specify the first point and enter the radius value. Similarly, you can also use that if I want to draw a circle in between the two circles, then I can use the tangent method. To use the tangent method, click on this TTR method option, then specify the first tangent, then the second, then enter the radius that you want, and here it is. Now let's see what is an arc command. To use the arc command, type arc, specify the first point, then the second point, then whatever the radius you want. But there are number of arcs that you can use, such as if you have a center point, say center point, start point and end point like this, and if you have center point, start point and an angle between the arc, there are various numbers of arc that you can draw. Similarly, circle can be drawn by 2 point, 3 point, but that can be understood by the advanced users. This is enough for the beginners. Now let's see what is a rectangle command. Simply type rec, REC, it is a shortcut of rectangle. Specify the first point. To draw a rectangle, you have to specify the length, which is the x-axis, and the height, which is the y-axis. So if I want to draw a rectangle with a length of 100 which is in x-axis, then comma for the y-axis, then you can type 50 for the y-axis. And here it is, a rectangle having a length of 100 and height of 50 units. Now let's see what is an ellipse command. Type ellipse. An ellipse have two radius. Based on two radius it draws a circle. Let me show you. Specify any point, then enter the radius, suppose 100, and the second radius, suppose 50. Yeah, it seems to be the same, but let me try again. Specify the first point, suppose the radius is 150, and now enter the upper radius as 50. Now you can see it is made by two radius. The horizontal radius is 150 and the vertical radius is 50. Now let me show you what is a polygon command. Type polygon. First you have to enter the number of sides that you want. A polygon command is used to draw various shapes having different number of sides. Suppose I want a hexagon, then I type 6. Then it says specify the center point. Then if you want to draw a polygon inside a circle, then select the inscribed in circle. And if you want to draw a polygon outside a circle, then use the circumscribed about circle. I used inscribed a circle, then specify the radius. Suppose I want to draw a radius with 150. So you can see I draw a hexagon using the polygon command. Now let's see what is an hatch command. Simply select on hatch, or you can type hatch. Here are a number of patterns provided in the hatch command. Let me show you. The most used pattern is this kind of pattern. Simply select inside a box or a circle where you want, but you cannot select in this eye section because it is made by lines. You can adjust the distance or angle. Suppose I want an angle of 30 degree. And that's all. And that's all for today. Make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and make sure to like, share and comment. Thank you. Have a nice day.